We have other option like same IDoc can be used and we can update the segment data. For example, there is an IDoc was created and there is a data is missing, so that IDoc is failed. So in that case, without generating a new IDoc, in the same IDoc, the respective data can be filled and we can reprocess to complete the process successfully. Let's check that option also. I will take one failure IDoc WE05 inbound. We'll take 51 status. Okay, here it is failed. What are the error message? The error message is update control of moment type is incorrect. This has that error is due to missing of moment type indicator B. Okay, so what we do now? Now click on this button. Okay, we can see here, and now we go to data records. In this data record, the exact error message is because of this segment. In this segment, the moment type indicator is missing. So now click on this, the book kind of icon, double click on that, click on the book icon only. So now system will show you, these are the data. Now go to data record and click on display or change. So here system will show you all the fields under the segment. Here the moment indicator. Okay, click on F4 and the moment indicator B. Now save it. Changes the data records are saved. Okay, here the moment indicator B is updated. Now what we are going to do, we will reprocess 1038767 /m BD87 8767. IDoc was edited. Now process it. So the whatever the missing data we have already updated. So once we process it, it should be successfully completed if there is no other data issues. Asking the data with the new data, resubmit, and updating the existing one. Okay, these two things can be done. See, now the application is successfully posted. You can double click on the IDoc. Yes, system successfully posted. After failure of that, you can see the status also. There was a failure. After failure, still you reprocess. That's why it failed for 3 times. Then IDoc was edited. So 69 status is saying IDoc was edited. We have edited in W05 transaction with required data. After that, we are posting. So system got the 53 as a final. It is successfully completed. The goods movement also posted. So this is the way how to edit a transaction. This is the way how to edit an IDoc and reprocess. I hope this also is one part of IDoc monitoring issues you can consider. Thanks for watching.